In today's video, we're about to unveil a financial secret that can revolutionize your financial well-being. Welcome to Transform Your Finances. Unleashing the power of the 50-30-20 Rule 1 Foot M, your guide through this financial journey. We'll dive deep into the 50-30-20 rule, dissect its principles, and provide real-life illustrations to ensure you grasp its transformative power. So, let's get started. Understanding the 50-30-20 rule. The 50-30-20 rule is a powerful budgeting framework that divides your income into three categories: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Let's break it down. Imagine your monthly income is $4,000. The 50% portion, or $2,000, is dedicated to your essential needs, such as rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and transportation. These are non-negotiable expenses that maintain your quality of life. Allocating 30% for wants. Now, the fun part, the 30% allocated for your wants, or $1,200 in our example. This portion covers dining out, entertainment, hobbies, and anything that brings you joy. Think of it as your guilt-free spending allowance. Prioritizing 20% for savings and debt. The last but most crucial piece, 20% or $800 for savings and debt repayment. This segment fuels your financial future. Use it to build an emergency fund, invest for retirement, or pay down debt faster. To truly grasp the 50-30-20 rule's success, let's explore some practical illustrations. Meet Sarah, a graphic designer earning $3,500 per month. Following the 50-30-20 rule, she allocates $1,750, 50%, for her needs, $1,050, 30%, for her wants, and $700, 20%, for savings and debt. With discipline, Sarah builds an emergency fund, ensuring she's financially secure when unexpected expenses arise. Now, let's dive into investment. Meet John, earning $5,000 monthly. John embraces the 50-30-20 rule. He allocates $2,500, 50%, for needs, $1,500, 30%, for wants, and $1,000, 20%, for savings and debt. John uses his 20% wisely, investing in a diversified portfolio that generates passive income. Lastly, consider Mary, earning $4,200 monthly with student loans. Mary follows the rule, allocating $2,100, 50%, for needs, $1,260, 30%, for wants, and $840, 20%, for savings and debt. Mary aggressively pays off her student loans with her 20%, eliminating her debt faster than expected. In conclusion, the 50-30-20 rule is your secret weapon to financial success. It empowers you to live a balanced life, indulge in your desires, and secure your financial future. Whether it's building an emergency fund, investing for the future, or paying off debts, the 50-30-20 rule is a blueprint for financial prosperity. So, are you ready to hack the money game with the 50-30-20 rule? Implement it today, and watch your financial life transform before your eyes. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more game-changing financial insights. Until next time, remember, the power to master your financial destiny lies in your hands.